If you want to uninstall GOG games from your PC, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're trying to free up storage, remove a game you no longer play, or just clean up your library, GOG Galaxy makes it pretty simple to do. And best of all, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once the app loads, head over to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed, so you'll need to find the specific game you want to remove. Now click on the game you want to uninstall. This will open the games page inside GOG Galaxy, where you can see different options and settings for that title. After that, look for the settings option, click it, and then choose Manage Installation. From there, select Uninstall. GOG will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the game, so go ahead and confirm the action. Once you confirm, GOG Galaxy will begin uninstalling the game from your PC. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, the game will be removed from your computer and you'll have that storage space back. And that's it! You've successfully uninstalled a GOG game using GOG Galaxy. It's a quick and easy process, and now you know exactly where to go the next time you want to remove a game. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.